This month's kit is Sap to Syrup. Students will look at how geography and climate allow for growth of maple trees, when and how you collect the sap and turn it into syrup for our families to enjoy. In your blue folder, you will have your K2 lesson plan from Sap to Syrup. You'll have the directions for doing your KWL charts, what your students know, what they want to know, and what they learned to help for some great classroom discussions. The book this month is Sugar Snow by Laura Ingalls Wilder. The kit this month includes the supplies to do Activity 1 in the lesson plan, looking at how different soil types affect the growth of our trees. If you would like to request one of these kits, reach out to the regional curriculum specialist nearest you. Find us on our website, mn.agclassroom.org.